Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. If you want to make somebody happy, then you have to be happy from inside. We can only make somebody peaceful if you are peaceful from inside. Now the question is, how can you be happy and peaceful at the same time from inside? The answer is self-healing. Hence, please come to this beautiful, soothing, healing workshop where you'll be learning 6 different healing techniques. Number 1, arrow and bow technique. Number 2, throwing stone technique. Number 3, birds releasing technique. Number 4 and 5, 2 empty chair techniques. And last but not the least, glass and TV technique. With the help of this, we'll not be able to improve and help our lives. At the same time, we'll be able to transform and better other people's life as well. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you in the workshop.